England, an island nation with a rich history, holds within its borders a surprising variety of breathtaking scenery. From the bustling cities to the tranquil countryside, every corner of this land tells a story. From rugged coastlines that meet the crashing waves of the sea, to rolling hills that stretch as far as the eye can see, and serene lakes that mirror the sky, England's landscapes have inspired artists, poets, and dreamers for centuries. Each scene is a masterpiece waiting to be discovered. Join us on a journey to discover some of England's most captivating natural wonders. We'll explore the hidden corners and the famous landmarks, each with its own unique charm and story. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer beauty and diversity that awaits you. From the north to the south, east to west, England's landscapes are as varied as they are beautiful. Our exploration will take us to iconic destinations like the Lake District, famed for its shimmering lakes and towering peaks. This region has been a source of inspiration for countless writers and artists, and it's easy to see why. We'll venture to the Jurassic coast, where ancient cliffs stand as testament to millions of years of geological history. The dramatic landscapes here are a window into Earth's distant past, and we'll lose ourselves in the idyllic charm of the Cotswolds with its honey-colored villages and rolling hills. This area is a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical architecture. But England's scenic beauty goes far beyond these well-trodden paths. There are countless hidden spots waiting to be discovered, each offering a unique glimpse into the country's natural splendor. Throughout our journey, we'll uncover hidden gems and lesser-known spots that reveal the true magic of this island nation. These places, often overlooked, hold some of the most breathtaking views and serene landscapes. Get ready to discover the unexpected and fall in love with England's captivating landscapes. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a curious explorer, there's always something new to find in this land of hidden beauty. Nestled in northwest England, the Lake District is a region of breathtaking contrasts, where nature's grandeur is on full display. Towering mountains rise dramatically from the shores of shimmering lakes, creating a landscape that is both awe-inspiring and serene. The interplay of light and shadow on the water's surface adds to the magical ambience. Carved by ancient glaciers, the Lake District's valleys hold a network of sparkling lakes, each with its own unique character and charm. These lakes, with their crystal-clear waters, reflect the surrounding peaks, creating a mirror-like effect that is simply mesmerizing. This region has captivated the hearts of poets, writers, and artists for centuries. Its dramatic landscapes and serene waters have been a source of endless inspiration. William Wordsworth, one of England's most celebrated romantic poets, found endless inspiration in the Lake District's wild beauty. His poetry often reflects the deep connection he felt with this land. His words painted vivid pictures of the region's rugged landscapes and the sense of tranquility they evoked. Through his verses, readers can almost feel the gentle breeze and hear the rustling leaves. Today, the Lake District is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Its vast expanse offers countless opportunities for exploration and adventure. Hiking trails wind their way through the fells, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding peaks and valleys. Each trail provides a unique perspective, revealing hidden gems and panoramic vistas. Boat trips provide a different perspective on the lakes, allowing visitors to soak in the tranquility of the water and admire the surrounding scenery. Whether it's a leisurely cruise or a serene paddle, the experience is unforgettable. Among the many scenic highlights of the Lake District, a few stand out as must-sees for any visitor. Scafell Pike, England's highest mountain, offers a challenging climb, rewarded with panoramic views that stretch across the entire national park. For those seeking a gentler experience, a stroll along the shores of Derwentwater, surrounded by wooded hills, is an idyllic way to spend an afternoon. The charming towns and villages scattered throughout the Lake District add to its allure. Ambleside, with its bustling market and picturesque bridge, is a popular destination. Keswick, nestled on the shores of Derwentwater, offers stunning lake views and a range of outdoor activities. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or simply a chance to immerse yourself in nature's beauty, the Lake District has something to offer everyone. From the serene beauty of the Lake District, where the tranquil waters reflect the rolling hills and majestic mountains, we travel south to the rugged splendor of the Jurassic coast, a place where the land meets the sea in a dramatic display of natural forces. Stretching for 95 miles along England's southern coast, this coastline is a testament to the power of nature. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of geological wonders, offering a glimpse into Earth's distant past. The cliffs along this coastline tell a story spanning millions of years, with each layer of rock revealing a chapter in the evolution of life on Earth. With layers of rock revealing the evolution of life on Earth, these formations are like pages in a history book, waiting to be read. As you walk along the coastal path, you are not just walking through a landscape, but through time itself. You'll encounter a dramatic landscape shaped by the relentless forces of erosion. Towering cliffs rise majestically, sea stacks rise from the waves like ancient sentinels, and hidden coves paint a picture of raw, untamed beauty, offering secluded spots for quiet reflection. Fossils embedded in the rocks provide tangible evidence of the creatures that once roamed this land, from giant marine reptiles that ruled the seas to prehistoric ammonites, whose spiral shells are a symbol of ancient life. The Jurassic coast is a paradise for fossil hunters, a place where the past is constantly being revealed, with new discoveries waiting to be unearthed by the shifting tides and the keen eyes of explorers. But even without stumbling upon a prehistoric relic, the sheer beauty of the landscape is enough to captivate any visitor. The experience of walking along these ancient cliffs, feeling the weight of history beneath your feet, with the wind in your hair and the salt air filling your lungs, and the sound of the waves crashing below, is truly unforgettable. It's a journey through time, etched in stone and sea. Section 5. The Jurassic Coast's dramatic landscapes. Among the many iconic landmarks along the Jurassic coast, Durdledore stands out as a true marvel of nature. This natural limestone arch, carved by the relentless power of the sea, is a testament to the forces that have shaped this coastline over millennia. A walk along the cliff tops to Durdledore offers breathtaking views of the arch and the surrounding coastline. Another must-see destination is Lulworth Cove, a picturesque horseshoe-shaped bay sheltered by towering cliffs. This tranquil haven is a stark contrast to the rugged beauty of the surrounding coastline, offering calm waters and a chance to relax on the pebble beach. From the dramatic cliffs of Old Harry Rocks to the fossil-rich beaches of Charmouth, the Jurassic coast offers a journey through time and a chance to witness the incredible power of nature. Section 6. The Cotswolds, rolling hills and picturesque villages. From the dramatic coastline of the Jurassic coast, we venture inland to the idyllic Cotswolds. This area of outstanding natural beauty is renowned for its rolling hills, honey-colored stone villages, and a sense of timeless tranquility. Imagine strolling through villages where time seems to stand still. Quaint cottages built with locally quarried limestone exude a warm golden glow. Winding streets lead to bustling market squares and ancient churches. The air is filled with the scent of freshly baked bread and blooming flowers. The Cotswolds are a walker's paradise, with miles of public footpaths crisscrossing the rolling hills and valleys. Follow ancient trails through woodlands carpeted with bluebells in spring, or wander along riverbanks where kingfishers dart among the reeds. Section 7. Discovering the charm of the Cotswolds. Among the many charming villages dotting the Cotswolds, a few stand out as must-sees. Bourton-on-the-Water, often called the Venice of the Cotswolds, is a picturesque village with the river Windrush flowing through its heart. Low bridges cross the river, adding to the village's charm. Castle Combe, nestled in a wooded valley, is often described as the prettiest village in England. Its honey-colored stone cottages, clustered around a babbling brook, seem frozen in time. Byberry, with its iconic Arlington Row, is another must-visit destination. This row of 14th century weavers' cottages, with their steeply pitched roofs and dormer windows, is one of the most photographed scenes in the Cotswolds. Section 8. Beyond these iconic destinations. While the Lake District, Jurassic Coast and Cotswolds represent some of England's most iconic scenery, this island nation holds a wealth of other breathtaking landscapes waiting to be discovered. The rugged beauty of the Yorkshire Dales, with its limestone pavements and cascading waterfalls, is a sight to behold. The Peak District National Park, with its dramatic gritstone edges and heather-clad moors, offers a taste of wilderness within easy reach of major cities. And the rolling hills and ancient forests of the New Forest, once a royal hunting ground, provide a glimpse into England's past. Whether you're drawn to dramatic coastlines, tranquil lakes, or rolling hills dotted with charming villages, England's diverse landscapes offer something to captivate every traveller. Section 9. England's beauty awaits. From the rugged peaks of the Lake District to the fossil-rich cliffs of the Jurassic coast and the idyllic villages of the Cotswolds, England's scenic beauty is as diverse as it is captivating. Each region offers a unique glimpse into the country's natural and cultural heritage. So why not plan your own adventure and discover the magic of England's landscapes for yourself? Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or simply a chance to connect with nature, England's breathtaking scenery is sure to leave a lasting impression. Section 10. Share your thoughts. What are your favorite scenic spots in England? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to let us know what other destinations you'd like us to explore in future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more breathtaking journeys.